Hello. Yeah, it's me, Robert. I'm up here at the East Fork, San Gabriel River, in the Los Angeles Mountains, and I'm at Heaton Flats. I'm gonna show the signs they put up. Um, here's here's one of them. I don't know if you can read it, but mining, prospecting is prohibited in this area. Withdrawal of Los Angeles watershed. I don't know if you can read the rest. All mining operations, locations of mining claims, prospecting and mining, including panning, sluicing, and dredging under the 1872 mining law, are prohibited within withdrawn areas of the Los Angeles forest, which include the major the minority of the watersheds of the San Gabriel River Water Ranger District. Public Law Number 578, the 1928 Withdrawal Act, withdrew these watersheds from entry and location under mining laws. There is no provision in PL 578 which provides for even a limited right to enter withdrawn lands to prospect. 16 USC 1133 and D3. Prospecting is defined as but not limited to stream settlement, sampling, metal detecting, small scale, place or claim striking, or gold panning. Whew. You can tell I can't read very good, but that's it. That's the sign. We got another sign over here, which is way more better. That doesn't really say you can't mine up here, though. It just says like in the water or in certain areas. And there's no real markings on it. It just says forest. That could be Forrest Gump for all I know. I mean, they quote a few laws, but there's not like on a trespassing sign it says you will be prosecuted or whatever. I don't know. Or there's some kind of label. But this map is kind of cool. This one actually gives you trails and Cabin Flat and Mount Baldy. It's a pretty cool sign, all in all. I don't know if I can get a better angle on it. Let me see here. It'd be nice if I had one of those nice cameras. But here's East Fork. East Fork Road. And then the trail goes up. Do 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 do. That's where we are. And this one has that kind of stuff. I don't know what it's for. Trails. And I don't know. Gives you like a map of the map. North, south, east, and west. I wonder if that's right. And then Sheep Mountain Wilderness, Los Angeles National Forest Area map. So there's the Bridge to Nowhere sign. They did put in this cool table though. Oh look, this guy has a shovel and a bucket. Is that a pan sticking out of his backpack? He's gonna be mining. I mean prospecting. There's a rock that was just sitting here. I'll put it in the sun, see if I can get some how shiny it is. if that comes out on camera. I don't think it will, but you never know. This is like silver almost. I know it's not, but you got a bathroom over there? Last bathroom break? That's the trail up to my car and the parking lot. Then we got a little Heaton's Flats and a couple of little signs here. Coldwater Saddle, Coldwater Canyon, and Sheep Mountain Wilderness. Wow, Coldwater Canyon, 6.2 miles. I've never even been up that trail before. Let me take a look. Maybe I'll forget mining today and go exploring. That's always fun. The trail goes right up there. Well, the Heaton Mine's right back there somewhere. I've never even been to that even, so maybe. I smell a skunk. I love that smell. As long as it's just mild. Then, I don't want to go on and on and on and on and on about this whole thing. I mean, the river, if they complain about the fish love it. They love prospectors. We dig holes, they got pools to swim in. While we're digging, they sit there and try to get all the bugs and stuff that we dig up. I mean, I don't even think there would be as many fish if there wasn't prospectors. To be honest with you, that's the truth. I mean, if you ever watch a suction dredge, what's right around it? All a bunch of fish. Because they're hoping the worm comes up or, a little bug or something. And what else? I just wonder if they did shut us down, if I could still get gold off the sides of the hills. Just stay out of the river. Because back in the day, they used to hydro these hills. And they've missed a few spots. If you climb up there and dig, you might find some gold. In fact, I think you got a pretty good chance of it. In fact, I know somebody who has, actually. Yeah, we got one camper down here. I don't know if you could see that tent. But it's a different camper than last week when I was here. The river looks beautiful today. It's real windy, though. Real windy. Right here, the wind's not too bad because I got the trees. The pine trees. And you got the river down there. Over there. Alright. I don't want to bore you guys too much. That's my... I just wanted to get that sign on there. Maybe I'll get one more shot of it. See if I can get a close-up. There it is. Let's go through line by line. I'm not very good at this. But if you wanted to read it on your own, here it is. Hopefully I got it all. Okay. I'll try to get one with the whole sign. If you got a good computer, maybe you can see it. I doubt it. That looks really small. Anyways, that's me. I always say anyways. Yeah. I see one guy down here. He must have snuck up behind me. I didn't even see him come by. He probably thought, like, what is this guy doing? He's crazy, talking to his camera. Alright, I'm gonna go up and get some gold. Forget that sign. I'll use it to dig with. No, I wouldn't. I'm not vandalizing stuff. But yeah. So if any comments about this? I know I got some last week, but now I got pictures. So go ahead and write something. I'm gonna go get some gold now. I'm gonna head up the about 3 miles. I heard of some bedrock I want to dig on. All right, bye.